If you've recently searched for natural ways to lose weight, you've probably come across one recipe over and over again: beets, green apples, and cucumbers. Many people believe that drinking a glass of this juice every day can help the body burn fat, cleanse the blood, or speed up weight loss. But is that really true? Or are we expecting this recipe to deliver benefits that it has never actually been proven to provide? Interestingly, among these three ingredients, beets have attracted the greatest attention from researchers, but not because they're some kind of miracle weight loss food. Instead, scientists have been interested in several naturally occurring compounds found in beets and how they may support the body when combined with a healthy diet and an overall healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we'll separate fact from fiction. We'll look at what the evidence actually says about beets, clear up some of the most common misconceptions, and explain why so many healthy juice recipes pair beets with green apples and cucumbers instead of using beets by themselves. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this recipe may actually help with, what it cannot do, and how to view it as a realistic tool to support a healthy lifestyle, rather than expecting it to deliver results that go beyond what the current scientific evidence actually supports. You'll need beets, Granny Smith, green apples, cucumbers, and green pineapple. Wash all of the ingredients thoroughly, then cut them into medium-sized pieces so they're easier to blend or juice. If you'd like to retain more of the natural fiber, consider blending them with a small amount of water instead of extracting only the juice. However, there's one thing I'd like to share from my own experience. After making this recipe many times, I've noticed that if a smoothie or juice containing green apple sits for too long after it's prepared, both the color and the flavor begin to change. It simply doesn't taste as fresh as it does right after blending, and the drinking experience isn't quite the same. For that reason, I usually drink it immediately or within the first 20 to 30 minutes after making it, rather than letting it sit for an extended period. That's simply a personal habit I've developed through experience because I enjoy the fresh flavor of the ingredients at their best. If you find the earthy flavor of beets a little strong, the Granny Smith apple and green pineapple help balance it with a natural sweet tart taste, while the cucumber adds a refreshing, crisp finish. Together, these ingredients create a much more enjoyable flavor profile, especially if you're trying beets for the first time. The most important thing to remember is that this isn't a drink that can replace a meal or produce weight loss on its own. Its real value lies in helping you include more fruits and vegetables in your daily diet, while serving as a healthier alternative if you're trying to replace sugar-sweetened beverages. If you decide to give this recipe a try, think of it as one small part of a healthy lifestyle, alongside a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and consistent daily habits. Those small choices, repeated over time, are what truly make a lasting difference. Don't judge the success of a healthy eating plan after only a few days. Sustainable results rarely come from a single food or one special recipe. They come from practicing small, healthy habits consistently over months and years. This juice may become one helpful part of your journey toward a healthier lifestyle, but in the end, it's the choices you make, and repeat, every single day, that have the greatest impact on your long-term health. In the final section of this video, we'll bring everything together by reviewing the most important takeaways about this recipe, along with some of the most common misconceptions you'll want to avoid if your goal is to improve your health and manage your weight in a realistic, evidence-based way. By now, you've probably realized that this recipe doesn't work the way many people believe it does. It isn't a drink that can magically burn fat in just a few days, and there is no scientific evidence showing that simply drinking one glass every morning will automatically lead to weight loss. So why do so many people still choose to include beets, Granny Smith apples, cucumbers, and pineapple in their diet? The answer is simple. Each ingredient serves a different purpose, and together they can become part of a healthy lifestyle, not a weight loss miracle. Let's start with beets. Beets are the key ingredient in this recipe. What makes them interesting isn't their deep red color. It's the fact that they naturally contain dietary nitrates. Once consumed, these nitrates can be converted by the body into nitric oxide, a compound that has been widely studied for its role in helping blood vessels relax and supporting healthy blood circulation under appropriate conditions. That doesn't mean beets will make you lose weight. However, when circulation is supported and the body functions more efficiently, some people find it easier to stay physically active, whether that's walking, cycling, or exercising regularly. And it's those consistent physical activity habits that play an important role in long-term weight management. Next is the Granny Smith apple. Granny Smith apples aren't included because they burn fat. They're valued because they provide dietary fiber, including pectin. As part of a balanced eating pattern, fiber may help promote feelings of fullness, making portion control a little easier for some people. That's one reason many people choose a green apple instead of higher sugar snacks or sugary beverages while building healthier eating habits. Cucumber plays a different role. Because it's naturally high in water and low in calories, cucumber makes the drink lighter, more refreshing, and easier to enjoy. For many people, simply replacing a sugary drink with a beverage made from fresh fruits and vegetables is already a meaningful improvement in their daily diet. This recipe also includes pineapple. In addition to balancing the earthy flavor of beets and the freshness of cucumber, pineapple adds natural sweetness and a pleasant aroma, making the drink more enjoyable without the need for added sugar. For people trying beets for the first time, this combination often makes the flavor much more approachable. When you look at the recipe as a whole, you'll notice that none of these ingredients is included to create some kind of miracle effect. Each one has its own purpose. Beets are the foundation of the recipe. Granny Smith apples contribute fiber. Cucumbers add hydration and a refreshing taste. And pineapple helps balance the flavor, making the drink easier to enjoy as part of everyday life. It's this combination, not any single ingredient, that gives the recipe its value. If your goal is to lose weight, think of this drink as a tool that can support a healthy eating pattern, not as the factor that determines your results. Sustainable weight loss doesn't come from one food or one special recipe. It comes from healthy habits that are repeated day after day. Eating a balanced diet, staying physically active, getting enough sleep, and remaining consistent over time. In the next section, we'll walk through how to prepare this recipe so it tastes as fresh as possible, along with a few practical tips that many people only discover after making it themselves. At this point, you might be asking a very reasonable question. If beets are the ingredient receiving the most scientific attention, why not use beets alone? Why add Granny Smith apples and cucumbers? The answer isn't that these ingredients make the recipe more powerful, it's that each one serves a different purpose. Let's begin with the Granny Smith apple. Many people believe that green apples promote weight loss because they contain some kind of special fat-burning compound. However, based on the sources we've reviewed, there is no evidence that Granny Smith apples directly burn fat or cause weight loss on their own. Their real value comes from something much simpler. Green apples are naturally rich in water and dietary fiber, including pectin, a soluble fiber that has been studied for its potential role in promoting feelings of fullness. When eaten as a whole fruit, that fiber may help you stay satisfied longer, making it easier to manage portion sizes as part of a balanced eating pattern. That's one reason many registered dietitians recommend eating a whole apple instead of drinking apple juice. Juicing removes much of the fiber that gives the fruit many of its nutritional benefits. Next, let's talk about cucumber. This is probably the most misunderstood ingredient in the entire recipe. Many people describe cucumbers as a detox food that helps cleanse the body. However, the evidence we've reviewed does not support the claim that cucumbers detoxify the body in the way they're often described online. Instead, cucumber's value is much more practical. It's naturally high in water and very low in calories. As part of a healthy eating pattern, cucumber can help increase your daily fluid intake, add a refreshing taste, and serve as a healthier alternative to sugar-sweetened beverages. That's also why so many people enjoy adding cucumber to their everyday drinks. Not because it performs any kind of miracle, but because it helps create a healthy habit that's easy to maintain over time. When you look at these three ingredients together, you'll notice that each contributes something different. Beets provide naturally occurring compounds that have been studied for their potential role in supporting healthy circulation. Granny Smith apples contribute dietary fiber and may help promote fullness when consumed appropriately. Cucumbers increase hydration while providing a low-calorie addition to the recipe. It's this combination, not any single ingredient, that has made this recipe so popular, rather than the idea that one ingredient alone can produce dramatic or rapid weight loss. But there's still one important question left. If you decide to try this recipe, what's the best way to include it in your routine if your goal is healthy weight management? While keeping your expectations realistic? That's exactly what we'll explore in the next section. This video was created to share educational information about health and nutrition based on the reference materials reviewed and compiled by our team. The content is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are currently being treated for a medical condition, taking prescription or over-the-counter medications, pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any special health concerns, Please consult your physician or another qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, adding supplements, or trying any recipe discussed in this video. Every person has unique health conditions, medical history, and nutritional needs. What works well for one individual may not be appropriate for someone else. To make our videos more engaging and accessible, the presenter you see on screen is created using artificial intelligence AI technology. However, all of the information presented in this video has been researched, written, reviewed, and approved by our content team. AI is used solely as a presentation tool and does not replace medical expertise or provide personalized health advice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to use the information as part of an informed conversation with your physician or healthcare professional so you can make the decisions that are most appropriate for your individual health needs. There's one small detail that many people overlook when making this recipe. If you happen to buy fresh beets with the leafy greens still attached, don't be too quick to throw those leaves away. Many people use only the root and assume the greens are just scraps. However, in many parts of the world, beet greens are commonly eaten as a leafy vegetable or blended into green smoothies. If you'd like to try them, you can add a small handful of thoroughly washed beet greens to the blender along with the beets, Granny Smith apple, cucumber, and pineapple. It's a simple way to make use of more of the plant instead of using only the root. That said, we won't go into the nutritional value of beet greens in this video because that topic should be discussed based on its own body of scientific evidence. For today's recipe, our focus remains on the combination of the main ingredients and how they can fit into a healthy eating pattern that's both practical and easy to maintain over the long term. Before we talk about how to make this juice, there's one very important point to understand. If your goal is to lose weight, beets are not a food that can directly burn fat. Based on the evidence we've reviewed, there is currently no scientific proof that simply eating beets or drinking beet juice will automatically cause weight loss or melt away body fat. So why do beets appear in so many recipes designed for people who want to manage their weight? The answer lies in their natural nutritional composition, not in the marketing claims. Beets provide a variety of nutrients, including naturally occurring dietary nitrates, along with folate, dietary fiber, and the plant pigments responsible for their deep red color, known as betalains. These naturally occurring compounds are the reason beets have attracted the attention of researchers for many years. It's important to understand that each of these components serves a different role. For example, the naturally occurring nitrates in beets have been studied for their ability to support the body's production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that helps blood vessels relax, supporting healthy blood flow and circulation under appropriate physiological conditions. That's why much of the scientific research hasn't focused on asking whether beets cause weight loss. Instead, researchers have been far more interested in how beets may influence circulation, exercise performance, and physical endurance. And that's very different from what you often hear in videos online. Simply put, beets are not a weight loss food. However, they do have characteristics that make them a valuable addition to a healthy eating pattern, especially when combined with sensible portion control and regular physical activity. And that brings us to another important point. Beets alone aren't what make this recipe so popular. So why do so many people combine them with Granny Smith apples and cucumbers?